Hi everyone, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and I am so excited to share with you the March release at A Colorful Life Designs. Now, this is many stencils from the release, however, it's not all of them, so be sure to check out the rest. I'll link the full month's release in the video description box below, as well as details regarding my coupon and things like that. So, as always, if you shop, use my coupon AmyFan10 and you'll save 10% on your complete order. And then there's also the Master Creator Bundle, which you can't use my coupon for, but that's because it's already so greatly discounted at 20% off if you want the full release. So I'm going to jump right in and show you what we've got. So some exciting things this month. Just going to pull this out. Now, when you receive an order from A Colorful Life Designs, it will come in a manila folder like this. Mary Kay is trying to cut down on plastic waste, so unless there's multiple layers or things like that, it's just going to be on its own stacked in this folder, so don't be alarmed by that. Okay, I'm just going to get a little black piece of cardstock here so you can actually see these gorgeous stencils, and I'm going to jump right in and show you the ones that I asked for. And again, this is not all of them. So look at this. Right off the bat, lots of stuff for Easter, lots of stuff for spring. So this is a 6x6, and this is really cool because you've got a sentiment and a whole focal point built right in. So this will make for quick and easy cards. You can do this in beautiful springy colors. Nice, easy card there. So this is called Happy Easter, okay? And then I also have, along the Easter theme here, I have Heart Cross. So again, 6x6. I'll put this up to an A2 size to give you some perspective. So you can see that would cover the full card front there. So nice focal point. You could put sentiment in here, or maybe a sentiment strip, something like that. So this is Heart Cross. Okay. Next up, oh, these are cool. Okay, so these are pretty unique. These are sentiments. You can see many blessings, he is risen, happy Easter. But what these little blocks are, so you could do ink blending through this block to basically create a strip or the illusion of a strip. And then you could come in and line this up over your strip in a darker color. So then it'll look like a sentiment strip, even though it's still just right on your cardstock. So very cool. I'm excited to play with that. Very versatile. So many blessings. He is, or this is called Shadowed Risen, Shadowed Blessing, and Shadowed Easter. So again, if you don't want to mess with your stamps, you have this option here with these sentiments built right into the stencil. Okay, then I have, oh, this one I'm very excited about. This is called Trailing Vines. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? So this would be very versatile. This is a year-round sort of stencil. You could make it even look Christmassy if you wanted. You could use it, you know, for anything. It'd make a great sympathy card, a great Easter card, spring card, just general use, masculine. Lots of versatility there. So I love floral type of stencils. Okay, this one, ooh, also fun, Flower Ball. So look at this. Here's some perspective here. It does fit on this front of a A2 size card base. So 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Look at this. You could put a little critter in there in the center, or just a sentiment. Have this be your focal point, nice springy colors. So Flower Ball. That one's really fun. Okay, also in the flower lineup. Oh, this one is so cool. This one is called Wildflowers. How gorgeous is that? So this is, again, substantial in size. You could kind of move it around depending on what part of the floral you want. Or, of course, you could go bigger and go 5x7, and then you'd be able to use a lot more of it. But isn't that cool? This is one you'd probably want to use pixie spray just because of the little slats and things like that. But I'm very excited about this one. This one is called Wildflowers. Okay, and then we have outline flowers. Okay, so another nice springy, but honestly, this is another versatile year-round sort of stencil. So you could do lots with this. So to create a nice subtle background, or make it a nice bright background, kind of in place of pattern paper, something like that. You can create your own design there. So outline flowers. Okay, we're working through here. I have a layered stencil here. So you can see this one comes in the packaging because there's more than one layer. So that's an instance that you would do it. Now, how cute is this? This is called Layered Bunny Faces. This is Layered Bunny Faces 2, and this is 1. So you could do just this for like a fun subtle, or you could go the next step and put this cute little face in there. How cute is that? I love it. So I'm excited about that one. Okay. Now I have a few 6x9 to share with you here. Again, this is not the full release, so be sure to check out the rest. I'm a sucker for florals, botanicals, anything like that, so don't be surprised that that's a lot of what I wanted from this release. This is called Simple Flowers, so this is kind of like outlines, very pretty. I could see this like an ink blended soft color, or maybe like a rainbow, and then coming in with darker, like heavier handed to do the outline over it. That's kind of what I see with this one. Or you could just do the outline itself, maybe in like a pale gray or a really light blue, just to create a subtle background if you want to kind of marry it up with something else and not take away from a focal point. So lots of versatility there. Okay, this one. Ooh, this one is so fun. Okay, this one is called Flower Garden. How fun is that? So again, big card, or just kind of section off and create different looks depending on the flower. But I am so stoked about this one. This would also be really great on a jelly plate if you're into that. These 6x9s are really good if you have like a bigger jelly plate, because then you can get like multiple panels out of one. Or you could just, you know, cut a piece of cardstock in half and just, you know, ink blend this whole thing and then cut a couple panels from it. So that's another option too, to kind of save some time. Okay, and then I have one more 6x9 here. This is Spring Foliage. How pretty is that? I love these lines connecting the design. Again, probably one you'd want Pixie Spray just because of the kind of looser components. But this, how gorgeous is this? I love it. Again, great for masculine, sympathy, spring, anything, depending on the color. Stencils like this are just so versatile. You can really kind of turn them into whatever you need. Now, the final thing. This is so exciting, guys. Another stamp set. Okay, so this is called Happy. So this will go great with all these stencils. You can see there's these little bit bigger stamps. So Happy, Blessings, Congrats. And then there's all these little sub-sentiments. So you can combine them and mix and match and use them for Easter or for spring or for your crafty friends or just for encouragement for your birthday. So you could use these all year round. So this is a nice versatile stamp set just to kind of mix and match your sentiment, and they go great with all of these stencils as well. So this is only the 3rd stamp set now in the shop. So be sure to check these out if you want to have some kind of coordinating stamps that go great with your new stencils. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. Now, every month I do create a playlist for that month's release. So I will create one for March. And if you check out that playlist in my video description box, as I release these projects that I make with these products throughout the month, you'll find that there. So look for that and any other product information below my video. And thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll catch you next time. Bye.